Boiz back here with another video. Today I got a video for you guys. I'm going to be installing a bolt-on, well, not really a bolt-on mod. Well, it is a bolt-on mod, but it's not a performance mod. It's just more for just aero, I guess you would say. But yeah, I got a mod that I'm about to install today. But before we get into that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And other than that, I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all what we got to install for today. Let's get it. So right here we have a basically just a Dodge Charger Hellcat spoiler. I bought this because I have another mod that's coming, so I had to get this just for that mod. Well, I could have put it on that wing, but I prefer to put it on this one. But I got this mod. I'm gonna go ahead and install it today for you guys and show you guys how that goes about installing this thing. So should be pretty easy. So I think it's 3 bolts on the back side of this on the trunk. Take those bolts off of with 2 bolts, well, no, 3, and then take that spoiler off. Then I think you have to drill new holes for this one. Hopefully this wing cover up those old holes on there, because I don't have time for that mess. But I'm gonna go get my drill and let's get this thing started. So I got the new wing, the old wing off. Look over here, that's how it's gonna be looking. I just got it propped up for right now. I haven't drilled anything yet, but yeah, this is how it's gonna look. Doesn't look bad at all. Now I'm about to go ahead and drill the holes, get it lined up properly, drill the holes, and install this bad boy. Let's get it. I'm gonna show you guys what I had to do to install this. I had to drill 3 new holes. One right here, I had to drill that one, and one right here, and I drilled one right here, but I lost the screw, so I have to get another screw for this hole. But it's 3 holes that you have to drill for this new wing. And boom. I probably should have sat the duck bill a little bit up so it wouldn't hit my tail lights, because it kind of hits my tail lights when I shut the trunk. Just the duck bill though, not the actual spoiler, but it's whatever. It's cool. But yeah, everyone, there's the end. There's how it looks. Duck bill, Wickerbill, not duck bill, Wickerbill with a Hellcat Charger spoiler on the 1st gen Super B Charger. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of it. I think it looks fucking mean. Just let me know what you guys think. But that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And my J out. Peace.